Top signs you need to replace your water heater. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of your screen. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and I was recently honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. Today, I want to talk to you about top signs you need to replace your water heater. Now, these signs we're going to review, when you see them, when you experience them, it's time to probably get a new hot water heater. Don't wait until something happens and then you have to wade through a puddle. So let's begin with, what are the top signs you need to replace your water heater? Your water heater is too old. Most water heaters last between 8 to 12 years, depending upon the manufacturer, the type, and how well they've been cared for. Check on the front of your water heater to find its rating plate. This will reveal important information. The serial number contains the year the water heater was manufactured, and the model number will tell you your water heater's size. If your water heater is more than 10 years old, you should start thinking about a replacement. Strange noises. If you hear hissing or sizzling sounds coming from your water heater, you likely have a sediment buildup that must be addressed. If you haven't maintained your water heater properly, the sediment could cause damage by slowly overheating the bottom of your tank. Leaks. Leaks are the most obvious sign your water heater is past its prime, but it is still worth mentioning. It might be tempting to ignore a small leak, but this is highly unsafe. It's vital that you replace your water heater immediately upon discovering a leak. Since leaks are likely the result of pressure buildup in your tank, neglecting a leak can lead to tank explosions. And rusty brown water. If your water supply suddenly looks murky, rusty, or brown, you could be facing a problem with your water heater. This problem could mean one of two things. The anode rod within your tank is rusted, and your tank is facing corrosion and is itself beginning to rust. So you need to replace a corroded tank as soon as possible. But what can you do to extend the life of your water heater? Once a year, you can buy these small hoses that are 2 or 3 foot long, like a garden hose, but only 2 or 3 foot long, in the plumbing section of your big box hardware stores. But once a year, hook up a short hose and drain it. Drain the hot water heater. Turn the heat off, turn it down to low or maybe even off, but completely drain it. By draining it, this removes sediment that shortens the life. This sediment can also produce rust. So if you live in an area with hard water, be certain you have a water softener. Hard water can quickly rust out a water heater. So I'm Mark Renner. I'd love to talk to you about your real estate questions or needs. I invite you to go to my website. My contact information is scrolling across the bottom of your screen. Go to my website at markrenner.com and browse. You'll see videos on how COVID-19 is affecting the real estate market. You'll see videos on what the real estate market in Omaha is like today, and I update that monthly. You also go to my special reports section, and there you'll see special reports that I have written on selling a house, what to do to get your house ready for sale so that you can maximize the amount of money you sell it for, buying a home, mistakes that you don't want to make, information about mortgages and their types, information about builders, the different types of builders and the associated costs, and special reports about how to interview a real estate agent. So again, please contact me. You can contact me through my website, and I will mail or email these reports to you because I also have them in a digital form. Or send me an email, mark@markrenner.com, or just give me a call, 402-690-1687. I appreciate you watching today. Have a good day and be safe.